What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Oh, I'm tired today. I did a lot of cooking and it wore me out, right? But it's Wednesday and today we have some fun things in the kitchen. One of my late Christmas presents showed up today. Eric got me something that's Le Creuset that came up on a sale, and he bought it for me as a late Christmas present. So that's in one of these boxes. And something happened as a result that I did. That's kind of funny. I also have twins. I also have another cookbook author I'd like you to introduce you to. I have some new cookbooks here, and I have another one coming on the way. So we're going to do a full workup on Willan. But I got these in the mail. I want to get them out before that other one comes. So let's get them out today. It's Wednesday, right? So join me. What's up? It's Wednesday. Okay, so I heard about this Forest Feast books, and I thought they were really interesting. So these are vegetarian or vegan, vegetarian. It's written by Erin Gleason. Apparently she has a blog. She lives in a cabin in the woods. And I've never read her blog, but I saw a picture of the inside of one of these books, and I knew I had to have it. It's called The Forest Feast. This is the Forest Feast, and this is the Forest Feast Gatherings. So when you see this book, you will be like me. When I saw the pictures in this book, I was like, I got to get a hold of this book. It is amazing. So a lot of illustrations in this book. Beautiful, beautiful photos. Look at that. The recipes are written out kind of strange. You might find them a little irritating the way, because it's not written out in like a regular like ingredients method kind of thing, because this book is designed more. So it's written out on the pictures, but the pictures in here, look at that, are amazing. I mean, this book, garlic knots, radishes, baked garlic, just Parmesan poppers. Just going through this book, it's a delight in and of itself just because of the photography. Look at these beautiful pictures. Persimmon salad. They're amazing. Here's a red salad with bell peppers, radishes, onions, dried cherries, pomegranate seeds. It's just beautiful. If you don't make any of the recipes, just looking at the pictures alone, a lot of people say that the recipes are absolutely delicious. So this is Forest Feast Gatherings. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. These are some beautiful strawberry caprese kebabs, grilled pineapples. Wow. Ginger mint lemonade. These are amazing. I don't know too much about the author, but when I saw the pictures of these, I had to grab these. So this is the Forest Feast and the Forest Feast Gatherings. Okay, so someone asked me an interesting question the other day. They say, why do you like cookbooks? Why don't you just get recipes off the internet, right? Why don't you just cook from the internet? And my answer to them didn't necessarily focus on the cookbook itself, because I am of the thought that when you're learning to cook, you might come across people that inspire you. Inspire you in terms of their recipes, inspire you in terms of their techniques, inspire you just in general. So the way I look at cookbooks is, when I'm inspired by somebody, I like to look at their body of work. I don't just buy cookbook. Well, sometimes I do buy cookbooks just because a cookbook looks interesting or fun to me. I do have cookbooks that I need to get rid of because my feelings of it have changed. I really feel like when I'm inspired by somebody, either it's, a classically trained chef, it's a restaurant chef, it's a TV personality, whatever that is, I collect cookbooks based on my desire to study somebody's body of work. So if I want to study Julia Child's work, I'm going to go out and buy a bunch of Julia Child's books, and I'm going to start reading, analyzing, and cooking through them. If I want to look at classic cookbooks, I want to find out what they're cooking in an era or a time frame or something like that, I might go and collect some vintage cookbooks that cover that time period. If I want to look at time periods across the spectrum, I'm going to get, famous, well-known cookbooks across that spectrum. I might buy something like the full run of the Betty Crocker cookbook because I want to, it's a great cookbook. It's something I want to learn from. And so I want to get the body of knowledge from that cookbook. So that's why I love cookbooks. My passion for cookbooks comes from wanting to study the work of somebody, not just for collecting cookbooks and not, it's the internet versus cookbooks. To me, it has nothing to do with that. Because when you're researching someone, you're going to look at their work that's out on the internet and you're going to look at the work from their own writing. I came across somebody recently that has really inspired me. I watched some YouTube videos, and I've known her because I saw her on an episode of Martha Stewart Living years and years ago. Her name is Anne Willan. She owned a cooking school in French. She's a classically trained French cook. She is in the James Beard Hall of Fame. She has been nominated for many James Beard Awards. She's written like 35 cookbooks. And she was friends with Julia Child, among other people. And I really started getting into her work. She's done a lot of research in terms of historical cookbooks, and she wrote a book about the cookbook library that I did buy, and I have it. It's on its way here. So after I bought that cookbook, I wanted to really dive into her work. And she wrote a series of cookbooks. It was 17 books called the Look and Cook series that became a series on PBS years ago. And so my mission was to get all 17 Look and Cooks. I happened to find somebody on Facebook Marketplace who had 10 of them. And she was maybe 60 miles sort of by where we used to live. And so I was like, I'm not, it's going to be a while till I'm over in that area. So I was like, can you just ship them to me? She checked the cost of doing the media mail and she shipped them to me. And even though it came media mail, it came the next day, right? So from Anne Willan's 17 book series, the Look and Cook series, I got 10 of them here. So I'm going to be on the search for the other ones to complete my collection. I want to get all 17. I want to get a lot of her work. So I'm starting with the Cookbook Library book that is coming this week. And I've started building my collection through this. I got this for a really amazing price. So she thought she had 3 more, but the 3 that she had were duplicates. So she threw in another book for just the cost of that. And she threw in The Smitten Kitchen. This is this is a classic now. Came from a website. They do a lot of cookbooks, and this book is amazing. Believe it or not, I actually don't have a copy of this. It's almost every good cookbook library has a copy of Smitten Kitchen, and I did not have a copy of this. So I do now, right?
Looks pretty.
Yeah, I think I paid like $5 for this. This is one of those foundational cookbooks that you would have when you were building your library, the Smitten Kitchen. So we have the 17. Oh, I just want to thank the person that I bought these from. I don't know if she'll see this, but yeah, I'm one happy girl here because I thought I was going to have to buy these each individually off of eBay. So this is Look and Cook Delicious Desserts. And what's great about the Look and Cook series is there's tons of step-by-step pictures in this book that goes through every stage of the recipe. So what's amazing about this Look and Cook series, like I said, is it goes through every step of the recipe. So here we've got rum-soaked ring cake. It tells you the equipment you need, your shopping list, shows you the end result. It goes step by step through pictures showing you everything you need to do to make this cake. It is Look and Cook, right? It is very extensive for each recipe, taking you every step of the way through photography. So Chestnut Napoleons shows you how to make your pastry cream, all the way through the entire recipe, every step of the way through pictures. Shows you how to take your sheet cake out and gives you some variations like chocolate. So I haven't seen her series on PBS, but I want to. So this is Anne Willan's Look and Cook Delicious Desserts. Ooh, this is Fruit Desserts. I don't know everything that's in this series. I have to map it out and see what 17 books are in here. Meat Classics. Main dishes, vegetables. Splendid soups with peanuts. Oh. Whoa. Chicken Classics. Superb salads. Wow. French country cooking. Whoa, I don't want these peanuts to come flying. Asian cooking. And the last one, classic breads. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 out of the 17. So I need to figure out the other 7 to finish out this collection. Wow, I'm really happy to have these. We're going to do a full video when I get that cookbook library book, and we're going to go through and we're going to actually learn a lot from her. Okay, so I know you're asking, why are there 2 boxes that were exactly the same? This is a funny story, right? So Eric gave me some cash for Christmas, and I've been holding out on what I wanted. Well, it came up in the Facebook group that QVC was having a today's special value. They were having a Now You Cook Day, all cooking stuff all day long. They had a today's special value of a Creuset Braiser, right? And I was like, I want that, but I was back and forth about should I order it. I wanted this piece so bad for so long.
Or did you really want something from Williams-Sonoma?
Yeah, I was going to go to Williams-Sonoma or Le Creuset because I want the saucepan. And so when this came up, I was like, gosh, I want that. And so I went back and forth, and he was like, are you going to order it or are you not going to order it? And I was like, oh, I won't order it, right?
You didn't know what color you wanted.
I didn't know what color I wanted, and it's sad that I don't order it because I couldn't pick the color.
And during the entire daytime, you acted like you weren't going to order it.
Yeah, I sort of acted like I wasn't.
So...
And then I said I wasn't. So I went to bed, and not knowing, right, in the middle of the night, I woke up and I was like, what am I thinking? Why did I get this thing? So I ordered it at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Well, 11 o'clock at night, I ordered one.
Well, 11 o'clock at night, he ordered one. So they both arrived, and now there's 2 here. So one of these are going. This is the one I ordered, and this one is going to go back. So that's why you see 2 boxes sitting here. I don't necessarily. Well, you know, I want 2 of them, but I'll be good and send one back, right?
Oh. Now this is the other funny part. We both ordered the same color.
Yeah.
If she would have ordered different colors, then they'd be twins, and she'd probably be keeping both.
Who, me? Ooh. Hi, Santa. Ooh, right. The big orange box. Right. Oh my gosh. So this is a 3.5 quart braiser in oyster. Can I cry? Thank you, Ben.
You're almost there.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Ah! Look at that. This is the oyster color. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful, boo. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. I love it. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. Oh yeah, look at the two-tone.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I love it, boo. Thank you. Okay, boo. Look at that. Return to sender, no twins allowed. I think he's telling me I can't keep that one, right? Is that what you're saying, boo? I can't do what I did with the...
I didn't write that. The doggy next door wrote it down for me.
I couldn't do that like with the Balti. I ordered the second one because I didn't like the color.
Oh, I don't know. We got Vikings. We got Hobart. No Le Creuset.
Oh my gosh, look at this. I love this. Thank you, bro. Happy Wednesday, y'all.